All right, recording again. Simple server. Yeah, in simple server. So I'm going to run the server just to show that it's working. So to initialize the server, we use node main. The server has started listening on port 3000. Where is my Chrome? So yeah, so it received the request through localhost 3000, and then it sent the response, hello universe. All right. Sorry. Okay, so this is explaining basically initializing the server. So this summary, in this lesson you learned that Node.js has built-in functionality for creating a web servers via the HTTP module. You configure your module.js application via the package.json file using the HTTP module and create server method with minimal effort. Yeah. All right. So lesson 5. In lesson 4, I introduced you to the web server and showed you how you can create one with Node.js. Every time a user visits a URL that lists your application, a request is made, and each request must be processed by the code you write. So this lesson covers collecting and processing request data, submitting a post request with the call method, which I don't think we didn't use the call method. We used Postman. Building web application with basic roots. Okay. This is this way we created the second server. Let me quickly just read through. Create a new project called second server. Okay. Just wanted to know second server. All right. To start this lesson, rearrange the code from lesson 4 to get an idea of how the server is behaving. Create a new project called second server within its own project directory, and inside add a new main. Okay, that was created. In your code, you have a server object that has callback function request respond, which is run every time a request is made to the server. With your server running, if you visit localhost in your browser and refresh the page, the callback function is run once on every refresh. Okay. Okay. Let me just go run the server for the second server. Oh God. Okay. Just because it's going to give this error because it has run local. It has run the localhost 3, the port number 3000. So let me just quickly just change the port number to 300. Yeah. So the server has started and is listening on port 300. And then so basically it's doing the same, the server is doing the same thing as the one that we created. So it the port number 300, we imported the HTTP module and the HTTP status codes. Here we basically initialize the server where a request is sent to localhost 300 in my case, and then when the user is sending through port 300, the response is sent where we let the response message be this response will be shown on the screen. All right. Yeah, I've got dry mouth now. Let me just quickly go get water. Okay. Routing. So analyzing request data. Routing is a way for your application to determine how to respond to a request to a requesting client. Some routes are designed by matching the URL in the request object. That method is how you're going to build your routes in this lesson. Sorry. Each request object has a URL property. You can view which URL the client requested with the request URL. Test this property and two other properties by logging them to your console. Add the code next to the app on request code block. I think it had, this thing was shown. Okay. So what I'm with this for what I'm skipping with the listings are things the codes that are already here. So they are already displayed on in the terminal. I just wanna close the other terminal. There we go. All right. Adding route to web application. Oh, that I did. Did I? Okay, no. Just wanna open simple routes.